Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 12C, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this XIAOMI. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Display section. Now scroll down again, tap on Font, and tap on More next to Painted with words. Finally, just click on the best font style for you. I will go with maybe this one. Then select Free over here, wait couple of seconds and tap on Apply. As you can see after that, when I go back, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, access Display again, scroll down, choose Font, click on the top right corner to close an ad, and choose My Fonts. Lastly, tap on Roboto, select Apply, and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!